In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text and customize colors in Google Forms. If your form looks a little plain or hard to read, this quick walkthrough will help you make it clear, consistent, and easy on the eyes. We'll adjust text styles, fine-tune colors, and preview everything so your respondents see exactly what you intend. First, open the Google form you want to edit. You can access it from your Google Drive or directly from the Google Forms homepage. Make sure you're in editing mode so your changes save automatically as you go. If the form already has a title and a few questions, even better, you'll immediately see how style changes affect real content. Next, open the theme settings. Look to the upper right of your screen for the small palette icon labeled Theme. Click it to slide open a panel on the right. This is your styling hub, where you'll manage how the text and colors appear across the entire form. Any changes here are applied globally, which keeps things consistent and saves you time. Now, let's use the text style options. In the text style section, you'll see three categories. Header controls your main form title, the biggest text on the page. Use it to make your title stand out and set the tone for your form. Question is used for the prompts you ask respondents. This is typically a medium size, so it's prominent but not overpowering. Text is meant for descriptions, help text, or instructions, and it's the smallest style. Keep your explanations concise and readable here. A good rule of thumb is to use one clear header, consistent question text, and short, friendly descriptions that support each question without overwhelming the reader. If you want to add a little polish, adjust your colors. In the same theme panel, choose Color to pick a text color that improves readability. Aim for strong contrast, like dark text on a light background. Then select Background to set a background color that helps your text stand out. Subtle, muted backgrounds often work best. Avoid colors that make the text hard to read. If you're matching a brand, stay within your brand palette, but always prioritize clarity. Finally, preview your form. Click the eye icon in the upper right to open a live preview. Scan the title, questions, and descriptions. Make sure the text sizes feel balanced and the colors are easy to read. If something looks off, close the preview, return to theme, and adjust. Repeat until everything looks polished and accessible on screen. And that's it. Simple styling that makes your Google form look professional and clear.